Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing a hairstyle for you guys. It's not too hard, not too simple. It's kind of like right there in the middle, because I realized that some of you guys, love the simple hairstyles, but y'all know me. I'll be doing them all. So what I'm gonna do is like some cornrows and like a ponytail, as you probably noticed already in the thumbnail. So let's get to it. I'm gonna blow my hair out, and we're gonna do that in fast motion. Before I start blowing out my hair, I like to spray some water on it, and this has water and conditioner. And you might wonder why I would get my hair wet just to dry it again, but the water soften it up and make the brush go through it so much easier. Look at that, so soft. Water make your hair soft. I'm gonna use this brush to brush my hair while I blow it out. So since I'm gonna start with the front first, I'm gonna just put this back into like a little ponytail for now. I honestly love the way my hair look right now. I think it looks nice and full and healthy, and you could see the ends really don't have any split ends. So now what I'm gonna do is take my first parting out, and I'm gonna start from here and bring it to the middle, just like so. So I'm actually going to straighten up the parting. This is just kind of a rough draft right now. I'm going to add some jam on the parting and fix it up here, like so and so. After about 5,000 tries, guys, I feel like it's right where it should be. What y'all think? Before I start braiding it, I'm gonna go ahead and add some more gel on it. So I added mostly to the root. This is gonna give it like a really nice sleek look at the root of the hair, so that's the reason why I added it there. So the braid I'm gonna be doing is not like a traditional braid. It's gonna be I think they call this French braid. That's what I want to do in the front. And don't mind me if I close my eyes. This is how I actually concentrate. For this one, we're gonna go straight in the middle right here and bring it up like so. And I want it to come up some more towards the middle in the front, so I'm gonna go up this way with it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my gel on it. Okay, so I show you how I did these right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two on this side off camera. I am all done with the front and look at it. I like it. Let's work on the back. So to put the back into a ponytail, I'm gonna go in with more of the gel and brush it up. I don't want my ponytail to be too high. I also don't want it to be too low. Yeah, somewhere about here. Hold it with my hair tie. I'm gonna do it into a bun kind of, because I want to make it small as possible. So let's do that. For my ponytail, I'm gonna be using this hair to do it. I absolutely love the red color, and this is the reason why I chose this one. So here I have 3 of them put together, and I'm holding it with an elastic band so far, and I'm gonna use this to hold it also. And this is it. Now I'm gonna put this over my ponytail. I'm gonna make sure the ponytail is towards the front like that, and then you just wrap it, and that should hold it. Now we could just flip it over the bun like so. So I have some extra hair just laying around waiting for me to use, so that's what I'm gonna use to wrap the base of my ponytail, because I could use this, but because it's red hair and I don't want to have any red hair at the base, I want it to be dark. But if you're using like a black hair, you could go ahead and use the same hair that's in there. Just grab a piece from it and wrap it around the base of it. But I'm gonna be using this. So you want to get some hairpins for this situation right here. So these are my hairpins that I'm gonna be using, and I'm just gonna do this the best way I can. If you have a better way of doing it, go right on ahead and do it. I'm gonna wrap it going this way. Boom. So I'm gonna pin this smaller piece in the back. Just gonna pin it under here. I'm adding the gel on here because I want it to be smooth when I'm wrapping it, and I'm just gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail like so. And this piece of hair is super long, so I didn't get like a thick piece to use. This is thin, but it's long enough to cover what I want it to cover. Another thing I like to do when I'm doing this is kind of comb through it, you know, to help get it smoother. Now when I get to the end, I'm just gonna tuck it and use the pin again, another one, to hold it in place. So far my ponytail is looking nice, but I don't want to leave it like this, so I'm gonna split it in 2 and make 2 big braids. In order for this to come out looking nice, you want to make sure the braid is nice and tight. This is how far I got it down to. I'm gonna hold the end of it with an elastic band. Okay guys, I'm all done with the braids. I'm gonna go dip it in hot water and I will be right back. So I dipped the hair in hot water and this is what it looks like. Here we go. I'm just gonna squeeze it on because this is gonna make the hair look so nice and neat and get rid of all those flyaway hair. So I like to use it for that reason. I'm always getting it everywhere. I'm also gonna add some oil onto my scalp. Now I'm gonna tie my hair down and go do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. Here we're back guys with the finished look, and this is the back of it. I undid the braids and then I split them apart, as you can see, to get this wavy look that's going on here. Let's just spin around so you guys can see it. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I am so in love. I still don't know if my V right here is directly in the middle, but always the hardest thing whenever I'm parting my hair like this to get it exactly in the center. But I mean, I think I did my best. I absolutely love the way it looks, so we're gonna just act like it's perfect. Yeah, but yeah guys, this is a really cute style you could try. If you cannot do the braids here, you could part it the same way and use elastic bands to, you know, bring it back, and it will still look cute, still look nice. But the red, let's talk about this red right here. So beautiful. I am in love. So I absolutely love it. Can't wait to go show off this hairstyle, you know what I'm saying? But guys, let me know what you think down in the comment box, okay? Let me know if this is a style that you would try. Also, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And if this is your first time on my channel, why not hit that subscription button? Also hit the bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.